We are truly honored to have this relationship with Grizzly and moved near to tears that Grizzly has selected Northwest Maritime as a place to invest in the future generations of craftsmen. In the broadest terms, Northwest Maritime is about connecting people to hands-on maritime experiences, whether it's on the water, or in the shop, or in the wheelhouse. Northwest Maritime is really designed to be that place where the maritime and sort of craft curious could come and get into the shop. The tools in the shop that Grizzly provided aren't just replacing kind of tired old patchwork tools that we had, but they're really giving us the opportunity to broaden our horizons, engage more people, do new things in different ways.
One of the big limitations, especially being a nonprofit, is funding. We don't always have the opportunities to go out and buy the newest, the latest, the greatest. So oftentimes trying to make do with what we have and being able to partner with Grizzly, offering us basically everything we needed. It creates a really great platform for us to kind of show what Grizzly has to offer in their tool catalog and how we can utilize those tools in building foundational skills for the next generation.
I don't know what the future looks like. I know it's going to be bigger, and I know it's going to be better, and we know that it's going to engage way more people into sort of the next kind of learning out of our boat shop.